Good morning, class! I am Teacher Maricar from San Antonio National High School, Parañaque. Are you guys ready for another exciting English lesson? So am I! But before we begin, I want you to say, English is fun! Say it with me, English is fun! Great job! To begin our lesson, I want you to take a look at the words on the board. I have box, boxes, and boxies. Can you tell me which word is correctly spelled? Keep your answers in mind because we are going to get back to it later. Let's begin by remembering what a noun is. A noun is the name of a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. Nouns can be singular or plural. A singular noun means there's only one of them, like a book, a pen, or a bird. A good way to remember a singular noun is that it has the word single on it, which means there's only one. Again, a singular noun means there's only one. What about plural nouns? Plural nouns mean there are two or more of them, like books, pens, and birds. A good way to remember what a plural noun is that it has the word plus, which means to add. Just like in math, when we try to add something, we use the plus sign. Today we are going to learn 3 simple rules to make singular nouns into plural nouns. Rule number 1. We simply add s at the end of the noun. Let's take a look at the singular nouns on the board. We have bird, book, pen, and park. How do we make these nouns plural to show that there are more than one? Correct! We simply add s on it. Books, birds, pens, and parks. Great job! Easy peasy, right? But hold on, that's the easy part. Let's take a look at rule number 2. Rule number 2 is adding es at the end of a singular noun. Words that end in s, ss, sh, ch, x, and z are the words that need es at the end to make them plural. Just remember that weird hissing sound. S, s, sh, sh, x, and z. If you hear that hissing sound, time to add es to make them plural. Now remember the words in the beginning of our lesson? Time to share your answers. It's time to find out which word is correct in plural form. Boxes, boxes, or boxes. You got it right! Boxes. Since the word ends in x, we simply add es. Boxes. Rule number 3, drop y and add ies. Singular nouns that end in y make their plural form by dropping the y and adding ies. Let's take a look at the word on the board. Now let's change these words into their plural form. Lady, cherry, puppy, and party. Remember rule number 3? Drop y and add ies. Ready? Ladies, cherries, puppies, and parties. Very good! Now let's review. What's a singular noun? Good! A singular noun means only one thing. What about a plural noun? Great job! Plural nouns mean more than one. Now your turn to change these words into their plural form. which, city, truck, dish. Shall we check? Don't forget the 3 simple rules. Witches, cities, trucks, dishes. Great job, class! I hope you learned from our lesson today. I'll see you next time for another exciting English class. Remember, English is fun. This is Teacher Maricar saying goodbye.